I wanted to show the process of how I made this. This is where I started making the God's eyes that I attached to the frame structure. And here I've just fast forwarded the video of where I made these little string and wood pieces. You can Google God's eyes or ojos de Dios for exact instructions on how to make these. But from here, I started collecting my materials for the frame, which consisted of PVC pipe and some scrap materials. And I used silicone adhesive to attach these to rocks. And from there, I made my frame with what ultimately is supposed to look like a dismantled fence or an old fence, and I let the adhesive dry in several stages, kept attaching the metal, and then ultimately I spray painted it. By framing my colorful images fading to gray in an iron fence of scrap metal, I create a jungle gym for the caged, a wall against evil spirits, and a statement questioning immigration injustices in America. The Huichol Indians of western Mexico call their god's eyes Sikuli, which means the power to see and understand things unknown. The woven string and wood pieces are used across Mexican and Catholic traditions and are thought to cast away evil spirits. A black cage like structure literally frames immigration issues our country has faced in recent years, especially regarding children and families crossing the southern U.S. border. Thank you for viewing, and here you have it, Sikuli.